Good afternoon, Discovery students and staff. I thought I would take a few minutes to share some information with you guys. Miss seeing your smiling faces here at school, and just hope that everybody's doing well as we are in some uncertain times right now. I've got a few slides here that I'm going to go through, just give you some updates. And I thought it would be good if I start off with a joke. So here is my dad joke of the day. So how did Darth Vader know what Luke got him for Christmas? Da-da-dum, he felt his presence. And if you knew that, you might have heard it from your dad. But anyway, going forward, this will be some important information, guys, as we go through this. As of right now, schools are out through the 30th, as have been shared with you guys. So some important things. One, please, please, please make sure you're checking your emails each and every day. Your teachers, myself, Miss Arditi, will be sharing some important information with you through this avenue. So please make sure you're doing this on a daily basis. As of tomorrow, you'll begin your remote learning. I sent out some information through email yesterday and sent out a phone message to your parents as well, letting them know about this. And your teachers have begun, if they've not already completed, sending you information as far as what their expectations are for this. Summit students, it's going to be very important that you stay caught up with your Summit classes as well. So please make sure you're checking Blackboard daily, as well as your school, your Discovery school email addresses as well, just so that you stay up to date with the expectations from your Summit teachers with that. Meals. So our district is providing meals for anyone who's of age 0 to 18. So if you have siblings that may be younger and are either in any of our elementary schools or our middle school, or do not attend our schools, because you're a member of our school, you are open for this opportunity. So if you go to the Newton Conover website, which is newton-conover.org, and in the latest news section, there is a news article there about the NCCS to serve student meals. If you click on that, there's more information about how you sign up for this if this is something that you're interested in. Miss Arditi wanted me to share with seniors to make sure that scholarships, that you're filling out your applications for those and submitting those. Right now, probably more than ever, guys, it's going to be important that you take care of this. And as someone who did not take advantage of this whenever I was in school, please make sure that you take advantage of this opportunity to get some free money that will help go towards your school education going forward with your college preference. And more than anything, guys, I want to take this time to remind you that we are Discovery. We are Discovery High School, and that the teachers, myself, Miss Arditi, all of our staff here, we love you very, very much, and we're here to support you with whatever you may need. We understand that these are definitely uncertain times, and that there are some questions that you may have. Anything that you need, guys, whether it's just need to talk, if you need help with anything, whether it's school related or not, please feel free to reach out to us and we will help you with anything that you may need. Again, we miss you guys very much and look forward to hopefully seeing you guys back here very, very soon.